Hey guys, we're going to do some partial quotients division, and I hope you're excited. Not really, but that'd be cool. Okay, first of all, if you're a parent and you're learning this to help your child with their homework, you might feel a little frustrated because you're like, I know how to do long division. Why do I have to learn this new way when long division is perfectly great? Okay, that is a very valid point. Also, give this way a chance, because we're watching TVs instead of listening to radios most of the time now, right? So maybe this is the TV and long division's the radio. Maybe not. Maybe you won't like this way, but I'll just ask you to give it a chance, okay? And you're here, so it sounds like you are giving it a chance, okay? Good for you. So, sometimes you'll see this done where they draw a long line here and they write numbers over here. I'm doing the same thing. I just like it when we write it on top. I don't know. My brain just likes that better. But if you like the side thing, go for it. We're doing the same thing, just writing it in a different place. Okay. All right. So when we're doing partial quotients, we're thinking kind of in like big terms at first. So we're like general terms would be a better thing to say probably. So I'm thinking like, okay, 8 times 100 is 800, which is not very close to 9,656, right? We're trying to figure out how many times 8 goes into here. Well, 8 times 1,000 is 8,000, which is a lot closer, right? Not quite there, but that's why we're doing partial quotients. So I'm going to say, I know 8 goes into 9,656 at least 1,000 times, right? So basically we're going to take out 1,000 eights and see what we're left with, okay? So 1,000 times 8 gives me 8,000, and we're subtracting that off, okay? When I subtract that off, I get 1,656. Okay, so next I'm thinking, okay, how many times does 8 go into 1,656? Okay, 8 times 100 is 800. We could do that, but I'm like, we could probably get a little closer, right? So 8 times 200 gives me 1,600. Oh, that's getting closer. So let's do that. Let's do 200. So I'm taking out 200 eighths, seeing what I'm left with. 200 times 8 gives me 1,600. When I subtract, I get 56. Okay. Do I know how many times 8 goes into 56? Well, yes, I do. It goes in 7 times, right? 7 times 8 gives me 56. Oh my gosh. I'm left with 0, which means there's no remainder. I will link some problems, some other examples. Some have remainders. There's one where I do 2 problems. 1 problem, 2 different ways. Okay. So now to get my answer, I just add these up. Okay. So when I add those up, I get 1,000. Oh, sorry. 1,207. I was going to put the 0 in the wrong spot. So that's my answer. Okay. If you need some more examples, go check them out. Maybe you still think this way's lame, but I'm glad you watched the video anyway. Okay, hopefully you can get homework done, and good luck.